Hello and welcome to Eclasopedia. We are back with VlookUp's part 2. In the first part we got the branch. So we added the name John Smith and we managed to get the branch as Kolkata. Let us see how we can get the division and the sales. So the first thing what we need to do is we need to fix all these three. That is the lookup value, because the lookup value will not change, and also the table. So I'll just fix these by F4 or Windows F4, and now I need to get the division and the sales. Here the division is in column number 3 and sales is in column number 4. So if I just click I'm still getting it as column number 2. I have to manually change this to 3 and manually change this to 4 to get the sales value. So what I need is I need this manual work to be automated. How do I do it? It's very simple. If you see the column formula, if I just do column A colon A, it is 1. That means this is the first column. A column A is 1. So if I do B colon B, it is 2, and so on. So instead of writing 2, if I add this as column formula B colon B, which is the number 2, and click on enter, it works. And if I just again change the division and the sales, it works. So you can see here it came column C. Column C is 3 and column D is the sales, that is 4. So it's very simple to add the column formula in the VLOOKUP to get the correct column number. Let us see Ravi Kumar here. Ravi Kumar is Mumbai, accounts 10,000. That's perfect. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, make me famous. See you again. Thank you.